I'm at one of my flips here in Redmond, Oregon. And it's looking pretty good, but yesterday we had the cabinets delivered. Those cabinets came wrapped in plastic around the sides, but not on top, and that thunderstorm came through. This is the pallet that they were on, and so now we are making sure the cabinets are dry enough to use here, unwrapping the cabinets. So we're unwrapping the cabinets to make sure that they aren't water damaged. Luckily, they were high enough quality that the top boxes were polymelamine and are water resistant, and they didn't get too wet because the interiors were wrapped in plastic. But as you can see here, we're now going to be paying for labor to unwrap these and get them dried off in order to be installed. So in order to install these, we want to make sure they're completely dried and ready to go. Luckily, they're about a week out from being installed, so we have enough time to make sure that they are properly dried off. This is just one of the things that you don't really account for when you're flipping a home, to race down to the flip and make sure that the cabinets are super dry. But we've got this big, beautiful fence coming in, about 300 linear feet of fencing, which is going to be finished by the end of the week. And flooring's going in today through the remainder of the week, and we're looking pretty good. I'll have to write an offer on a property and finish out the rest of the day in a positive mood. Hope you guys are doing great. Catch you soon.